6 reasons why people come into your life. Throughout our journey in life, we encounter a myriad of individuals who cross our paths. Some become close friends, while others are mere acquaintances. Have you ever wondered why certain people enter your life at specific times? These encounters are not merely coincidences, but often hold profound meaning and significance. In this blog, we will explore 6 reasons why people come into your life and the valuable lessons they bring. Number 1. To teach you a lesson. Life is a constant learning process, and the people we encounter play an essential role in this education. Each person brings unique experiences and perspectives, providing valuable lessons that enrich our lives. Sometimes, these lessons might be challenging or painful, but they contribute to personal growth and self-awareness. Embrace these encounters with an open mind, as they can offer insights that lead to positive transformation. Number 2. To inspire and motivate. Certain individuals come into your life to inspire and motivate you to become a better version of yourself. They may exhibit qualities or achievements that ignite your passion and drive to reach new heights. Whether it's a mentor, a role model, or a friend who's achieved remarkable success, their presence encourages you to set higher goals and believe in your capabilities. Number 3. To support you in tough times. Life is full of ups and downs, and during challenging moments, we often need support from others. Some people come into your life specifically to offer comfort, guidance, and a helping hand when you need it the most. They serve as pillars of strength, reminding you that you don't have to face difficulties alone. Cherish these relationships, as they reflect the true essence of friendship and care. Number 4. To challenge your beliefs and perspectives. Interacting with diverse individuals allows you to expand your horizons and challenge your existing beliefs and perspectives. When people with different backgrounds, cultures, and ideologies come into your life, it provides an opportunity to grow beyond your comfort zone. Embrace these encounters with an open heart, and you'll discover new ways of thinking and understanding the world around you. Number 5. To share joy and happiness. Life is meant to be enjoyed, and some people enter your life to bring laughter, joy, and happiness. These individuals have a natural ability to uplift your spirits and make your days brighter. They remind you to find delight in the simplest things and appreciate the beauty of life. These encounters can be refreshing and rejuvenating, making your journey more meaningful and memorable. Number 6. To form lifelong connections. Certain people have an uncanny way of becoming lifelong companions. They resonate with your soul on a deeper level, creating bonds that withstand the tests of time. These connections are often rare and cherished, as they foster a sense of belonging and unconditional love. Embrace these special relationships and nurture them, for they hold the potential to enrich your life in immeasurable ways. The people who come into your life do so for a reason, whether it's to teach you valuable lessons, inspire you, support you, challenge you, bring joy, or form lifelong connections. Each encounter is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Embrace these relationships with gratitude and an open heart, and you'll find that your journey becomes more fulfilling and enriched with meaningful connections. Remember, every person who enters your life is a gift, so cherish and learn from each encounter.